Hey, VisionAutoworks here with the headlight package finished up for a 99 to 02 Silverado. These are also the same headlights on the 2000 to 2006 Suburban and Tahoes. So all these GM lights, they have interchanged parts for headlights, and so these do fit 3 different models depending on model year. These are actually the DEPO headlights. So the factory headlights are just a composite, reflector type system, and the aftermarket DEPO lights actually have a projector system in it, but they are a halogen projector with really poor performance. So we do a conversion on the DEPO headlights here, where the factory projector is removed and replaced with the Morimoto Mini H1 8.0 by Xenon. So a true HID conversion here, much better light output than compared to even the original DEPO halogen projectors. So DEPO does offer these headlights in both black housing and chrome. This customer chose to go with the chrome housings. We're going to cut the HID system on here now. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like lit up. And this package does include the Morimoto HID kit, which includes a set of ballasts, set of bulbs in the color temperature of your choice, and a HD relay harness to take care of the ballast wiring. There are some other components to these headlights just not shown here. There is a mounting bracket that we've removed for the purposes of retrofitting this, but they will be included with the headlights. So direct fit, direct replacement with a plug and play HID kit. You can order a package like this on our website, VisionAutoworks.com, and you can always reach out to us if you have any questions by phone, email, or text. Thank you.